closest to me. Okay. Now, this in reality is the same depth as this, right? But the way I'm holding it, this appears smaller, right? Okay, it's going towards a vanishing point. So in other words, if I extrapolate out this side all the way 3 or 4 miles away, eventually this distance here, even though it's this exact same size as this, I won't be able to see it anymore. It'll be a go-go vanishing point. So what I'm going to do is take point 1 and draw it out to a vanishing point. An imaginary vanishing point. Okay, so you see what I did there? Drew that angle out to its nadir, so to speak. Okay. So if you want to establish this distance right here, all you have to do is just judge how far back it goes. And draw another vertical. And people that do technical drawing, they use T-squares and all that kind of stuff. You're familiar with this, I'm sure.
Right now.
Okay. Then we've got to deal with this side, which goes back. This point, this angle goes back in space as well, right? So this and this, even though they're the same depth, this one appears smaller. This one appears larger. This one's further away from me.
Tweaking or something.
The people that have been through this before, bear with me. There's some people that just aren't aware of this kind of stuff, but it's very important to get some of this stuff down. Okay. I'm going to take some liberties with this. I want this to be a basic cubular. Okay. You guys see where I'm headed here so far? Right? Pretty soon you're going to see how I can take this thing and build an entire city just by using this simple piece of logic that requires almost zero talent or skill. You just have to follow this basic rule. Okay, so now of course, this back side, okay, that goes back that direction, so it's going towards this vanishing point. Just drawn as a rectilinear shape in two-point perspective. Okay, now I should be able to repeat more or less this object above my eye level, below my eye level, back in space, any which way I want to go without really thinking about it too much because I've got my vanishing points established. So if I want to draw this rectilinear object back here, way back next to Farmer McDonald's spread, it's no problem. I can go put a skyscraper there if I want. If I want to put it above my eye level, this is my eye level, right? I can draw it above my eye level as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw it above the eye level. And keep in mind, of course, you can erase all these guidelines, right? Just get them out of there. And then all you got left with is your rectilinear object, surface, shape. T-square makes this a lot quicker, of course. This is a little trick I learned in my commercial art days to get the exact measurement of something. Make a tick mark here and here, and I can just repeat it here.